What the first thing come to mind when you think about the ex man?
Ex man.
Yeah.
No.
Boom, welcome back to my channel. It's another exciting episode of RealKingTv Street Talk. And today episode not normal, you know. This is one for the dirty ex them. You know the dirty thinking ex them? Yeah man, them same man. That one where first thing come to mind I think about the ex. Follow me. I'm sure what I go on.
RealKingTV, are you a mash up the whole place, you know? And take over the whole social media. You are the general. One with here, boy, I'm a king. RealKingTV. One of your interviews and get the views. I tell your career, you choose. RealKingTV. You want the boss man, do it. RealKing. I'll be your energy you bring. Big vibes. Big moves, whole place turn up. When RealKing step in, everybody pull up. From the streets to the media scene. RealKingTV.
What the first thing come to mind when you think about the ex?
Ex out.
Yeah, ex
Yeah,
out.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's our first thing. Yeah, big up me ex them. Me and me ex them good, but to the ex out, that's it. Yeah.
First thing come to mind when you think about the ex.
My ex,
Yeah.
the first thing that come to my mind, she couldn't give me $1 million.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, she can't give me some money.
Yeah.
That first thing come to my mind.
Yeah.
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
All right, Reggie. Big up yourself. Respect. But the first thing come to your mind when you think about the ex.
I don't have one.
You don't have an ex?
No.
No.
right,
the first thing come to your mind when you think about the ex man.
First thing comes to mind,
Yeah.
let me think about my ex-man.
Yeah.
Me I say, you know, me I wonder where, how far, or if me and her would make it one way. Because sometimes I think about my ex-woman, me I say, you know, so probably she should have given me my first youth.
Yeah.
And she never give me my first youth, and she fly out Ghana, England.
Yeah.
So me I wonder what she do now in her life. And me I wonder if me and her would have meet back again. So my ex now, me da wonder if I could have see her back right now.
Yeah.
If you wonder how she live and how her career and how her life are going. Just that alone more have to see my ex to find out how she live. And believe that.
What the first thing come to your mind when you think about the ex man?
The chill.
Yeah.
The chill. Because I not give money, no?
Yeah.
So for me, have an ex, I must see the chill.
Yeah.
As a real king.
Yeah.
Real King TV, as a real king, we not go under. I work to wifey. And from wifey become ex,
Yeah.
you go low, man. As a real king, as a real king.
What the first thing come to mind when you think about the ex?
My ex,
Yeah.
she fi go on.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, she fi go on long time too.
Yeah.
Yeah, she fi go on. Let me tell her, man.
Yeah.
When the ex left, me a prosper, so she fi go on long fucking time. Yeah, long time. I shouldn't even meet her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, some of them are crosses, you know.
Eh?
Some of them are crosses, you know.
No, them a lock stopper.
Look, stopper.
Yeah, lock stopper. Yeah, they with them, you always broke as you left.
Yeah.
No, like money that dad run them, bro.
What the first thing come to your mind when you think about the ex man?
Me ex-woman?
Yeah.
No, sometimes you want to regain consciousness and go back to her, but the same thing happen again.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
After 1, 2, 3 months, you know, pile up again.
Yeah.
You're used to that, you know?
Yeah, that's a once bitten, twice shy, you know.
Yeah, one love me, boss.
Yeah, man.
I love that.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
All right, what the first thing come to your mind when you think about the ex man?
You know, so if you be honest here, my boss,
Yeah.
from the day I come out of mother, I never been in a relationship. I tell you the reason why I never been in a relationship. Because the type of relationship where I look, I don't really get it. The type of relationship where I want is like, if I meet a girl out there, she can say, you know, say, I buy 2 underpants for you, and I buy 2 shorts for you.
Yeah.
All right, see like the girl, I mean, at my age, most of them
Yeah.
are just for the vanity.
Yeah.
You get what I say, my
Yeah.
boss?
Yeah.
Although you have big woman say so too. But Although you have good woman out there, you know, you have loyal woman out there. You get me, I say, my boss, but you have some in earth, a good on earth, good and bad on earth.
Yeah.
Good and bad on earth, boss.
What the first thing come to your mind when you think about a ex woman?
Well, you see, your ex is your ex.
Yeah.
And when you think about something that you pass on or something that you lose, it all depends if you really have that respect and care. Same way, it all depends.
Yeah.
So when you think about somebody who you know was a good person, dead for you, you go think, go think. But if somebody who have no really great standard of moral, you don't want to see them there again. You understand?
Yeah, true.
Man.
Yeah. What's the first thing come to mind when you think about the ex?
Yeah, no. Jail. Yeah. What difference is I not too think about my ex, so, you know? That one that catch me off guard, I'm not telling you that.
Yeah.
You see?
Alright, what's the first thing come to mind when you think about the ex man?
I don't even know. First thing that comes to mind,
Yeah.
think about the ex.
Yeah.
Waste man.
What you say about waste man?
Can you give me about the married woman?
With who?
Well, married woman.
Oh, married woman? Yeah. Eh? We ain't even want to find out that.
The girl post up and coming up my face with it.
Alright, Jano. Yeah, me G, what the first thing come to mind when you think about the ex?
My ex?
Yeah.
That's why them my ex, them for stay with them there. Them
Yeah.
wasn't the right one, you know.
Yeah.
A long time I have ex, so I've been married for 16 years, got 17 years,
Yeah.
so yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah.
It's a good look, man. Today we hear it.
Huh?
Today we hear it.
I'm not sure what you're talking about.
Well, we should understand. Alright.
Yeah.
What?
I'm not used to the slang things.
Okay.
You know, those type of.
Alright. What's the first thing come to mind when you think about the ex man?
Ex?
Yeah.
It could have turned out better.
Oh.
Yeah.
Could it turn out better?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything could have, you know,
Yeah.
could have, I mean, only if the person is, you know, a godly person,
Yeah.
everything would have been different.
Okay.
Yeah, if them afraid of God, and, you know.
Yeah.
So that's my answer.
That's the answer.
Yeah.
Come on. Today we hear it.
Nelson, aka Willie Mike.
Coolie Mike.
Willie Mike.
Willie Mike. All right.
Yeah.
Where you from, boss?
Dominican Republic.
Dominican Republic. So, how you enjoy Jamaica so far?
Chilling, you know, Jamaican is not the same thing than
Yeah.
before, from when we come the first time in 2007,
Yeah.
and I,
Yeah.
it changed a little bit with the party thing and, you know,
Yeah.
and different level. Me still enjoy because I need to me work, you
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah, man.
I
Alright.
need to me so bad.
All right. I ask you two questions. All right.
Yeah.
What's the first thing come to mind when you think about the ex-woman?
Ex-woman?
Yeah.
Well, my first thing when me think about ex-woman is that me not want to come back to that ex-woman again.
Yeah.
Cause if she's a ex, it's
Yeah.
for a reason.
Yeah, for a reason.
She's a ex.
Real
You
talk. You hear
understand?
that? Yeah.
For something we
Yeah.
stop. You understand?
Yeah.
And true in here, so
Yeah.
me not discriminate your country.
Yeah.
But in here, so the woman and full of lie. Too much.
Yeah, too much lie. Yeah. Yeah, why the man if you behave on yourself, you know? Behave on yourself. You don't want to come and say too lie. Yeah. But the first thing come to mind, I think about the ex.
When I think about my ex,
Yeah.
man,
Yeah, the first thing come to your mind.
lad, we left this, him have to come back. This
Yeah.
good no blood clot, my pussy tight, it has squeeze me.
Yeah.
Have to come back.
Yeah. Have to come back. Yeah. 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 So,
yeah. I mean, you're Chelsea, Commissioner.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So you say man, you said the ex-man them want to rally back on you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. When you make the mistake.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Then phone them back and say, yo, go
Yeah,
link
they
up.
want me back, yeah.
Oh, it's a good look there, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, big up yourself. What's your name again?
Debbie.
All right, Debbie. One Debbie, yeah?
Yeah.
One Debbie. All right. Yeah, man, people. I eat that, you know. If you just thinking X them, people, tune in next time. RealKingTv Street Talk on YouTube. And please remember to like, share, subscribe. You see me? People, tune in. That is it. I'm out. Whoop.